Okay guys, I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, but I'm back, and a lot of people have asked me to do a eyebrow tutorial, and as you can see, I barely have any eyebrows, so just know that it is possible to achieve a full eyebrow look with barely any hair. So the NYX brow gel. Anyway, it's in the shade Espresso, and right now I'm working on getting, I think I want to try the Anastasia Beverly Hills, but this is what I'm going to use for now. And as you can see, it comes in a tube, so you have to squeeze it out. Onto a platform in order to use this angled brush. So the first thing that I do is start off with the line underneath. Very lightly. And don't worry if it's not perfect. We're gonna go in with concealer and sharpen the edges, and then go in at the top. Don't start in the front, a little bit back. Just connect it and start filling it in, and then once you get to the front, turn the brush like you're gonna draw the line outward, and lightly come in with soft strokes. Just like that. And then we're gonna go in, get some more on the brush, go on the other side and do the same thing. I definitely messed up, so let's just keep going. And they are not even, but that is okay because I'm gonna go with concealer and fix that. And now my eyebrow gel is a little bit dry because it's getting old. So then I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. conceal the top and bottom. And then do the same thing on the other side. If you do mess up with the concealer and get it on your eyebrow a little, you can go back in with the angled brush and just kind of wipe it off. But don't apply any more product because it might be a little bit too much. So then after I do that, I go in with this flat brush and then blend in the concealer and then blend it into the middle. And then going in the middle. And just blend it in. Okay, and then, sorry, messed up a little. Then I'm gonna go, no matter what kind of spoolie you use, just looks like this, and then go in the inside and blend it inwards. Very lightly. And it looks like I created a bald spot. Whoops! No worries, you can always go in and fix it very lightly. And there you have it. This is the finished look. A quick eyebrow tutorial in 10 minutes. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give my video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I am going to be posting more every week, so make sure to turn on your post notifications. Thank you. Bye.